Hey yo, what's up y'all? It's OBS Dwayne. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna try to oh, you know what, y'all probably don't know, but I posted in my Instagram story, you know, that my AC was working on the OBS. As you can see right here, she's working. She blows decent, and it's really cold, but I need to go down there because they go down there in that black box thing. That's where the fan blower is at. So basically I'm gonna get down there, I'm gonna take out the fan and I'm gonna clean that the coils or whatever is under there, and that's supposed to make this blow a lot harder. It probably has a bunch of junk and stuff, you know, since they don't have a cabin filter or nothing. The fan blows and then it goes through like that little coil, whatever the hell it is, that mesh, and then it goes through the whole system. So before it goes through any part of the system, it has to go through there, and if that's clogged, then there's not gonna be too much airflow, you know. So I'm gonna clean that up, and from what I've seen on the internet, I don't know, it's the internet, right? But so far everything I've seen off the internet or YouTube has been working, so I'm gonna try this out, and yeah, hopefully we get it going. It can blow a lot harder. It blows hard, but I know it can probably blow harder, so, you know, probably, I don't know, it probably blow, I want to say twice as much, you know, probably blow as hard as a hooker's. All right, so we're here. I think we got to take off this part right here, the dash. This is just these parts right here. All right. It's supposed to be some bolts or something. Connector or something. Oh snap. Alright, so we got the purple wire disconnected. There's supposed to be another wire in there somewhere. I'm not sure where. Somewhere in there. But it's supposed to have like a clip or something, so no, still not yet. Okay, squeeze at the same time. Squeeze it and then pull it. There you go. Alright, got the other connector. And then it says something about taking off this rubber. I guess you just pull it or something, I don't know. So I can see through the top. Join in there, so it's this whole piece right here. See that piece? This whole piece. So we'll try to take it out. Oh man, this thing's super brittle, guys. Been there forever, I guess. Remember, this is a 7mm. Okay. Yeah, got that sucker off. That's what it looks like. See, there's a screw that was kind of lodged in here. It's supposed to go over it, but okay. Now I got 1, 2, 3. I think there's 5 total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there is 5. There's, you can't see them up there, but there's some more. Oh, there they are. So I gotta take those off in order to get this out. And I'm gonna go in here and clean it, I guess. I got it out. It's right here. It was hard as hell because well, it wasn't hard once I got this bolt off, but so basically behind here there's a bolt that goes in here. It goes in this hole right here and it lines up with that hole and it slides forward. This whole thing slides forward. But in order to slide it out, you need to get this little groove out of a bolt that's over here. See this bolt? This bolt was inside that. Was inside this groove, so you gotta like lift it off and pull it that way in order to move this whole thing. See, because now the whole thing moves. So you need to pull that back while you're pulling the blower motor out. But I got it right there. And then let's see. See, we gotta clean. So it says we gotta clean like in here. It goes up there. I don't know if I can push all up there, but so we gotta clean. Look at all that junk in there, bro. See how that shit is dirty as hell. See it? Dirty. So yeah, I'm gonna be cleaning that right there. And hopefully it fixes our problem with not blowing too hard or blowing harder. So let's get it. What I'm gonna do, basically I'm just gonna, I got my spray bottle right here. It's mixed with Dawn and soap, so I'm just gonna spray the shit out of it in there, you know, try to get as much as I can. And then I got this little brush which I forgot to bring out. Let me go bring it out right now. Hold on. How dirty that shit is, bro. Super dirty, man. That thing's pretty damn huge. It goes all the way over there. I gotta get all that out. Alright, I sprayed in there. Maybe the drain is clogged. It's not leaking. So let me take out all that crud. Get all this shit that's coming out of there, bro. Holy guacamole, that thing was clogged or something, bro. Crazy. This thing is dirty as hell. Can't wait to rinse it. Okay, so we know there's a lot of shit in there. I'll show y'all whenever I clean it more up and stuff with this little brush. A lot better so far. Still got more crud. It's looking pretty clean though. Get some more in there. Sorry about flipping all around. Alright guys, so I sprayed it a little bit. Look how much cleaner it already looks. Like, bro, that's a big difference, bro. It's looking pretty clean to me. It's dripping, so that's good. As long as it keeps dripping, it doesn't get clogged. This is what we got going on so far. Looking pretty dang clean. It's getting there. I'll scrape all that stuff off the bottom right now. Progress check. Oh my god, it's looking amazing, bro. Wow. Wow. That is looking looking beautiful. Still got some crud there. I'm gonna take that out right now. All right, guys. So this is the last time you're gonna see this open down here, and yeah, it looks pretty awesome. Sorry, I keep looking over here. The camera's over here. It looks pretty damn awesome. Let's check it out. Looking pretty dang clean, as you can see.